Under the policies of Donald Trump and House Republicans, prices have gone up, up, and up. The latest inflation report shows that core CPI rose by the highest it's been since the last 6 months. Energy prices have gone up. Electricity is skyrocketing in a number of areas, more than doubling the pace of inflation in some of these areas. We know food prices have gone up. For example, 1 pound of beef has gone up 12.8% in the last 6 months. 1 pound of chicken breast has gone up nearly 6% in the last 6 months. And if you want to finance a new car with a car loan, it's gone up about $400 in the last 6 or 7 months. And what is Donald Trump and House Republicans doing about it? Nothing. In fact, House Republicans today on the Judiciary Committee are holding a hearing on European laws in Europe that govern what Europeans can say about speech. That's what they're talking about, instead of addressing inflation or the Epstein files. And then Trump's tariffs are going to make these costs even worse. We're asking House Republicans and Donald Trump to focus on what the American people want, which is to bring down costs. And we know, as Chairman Aguilar said, healthcare costs are going to skyrocket as well. Because of this big, ugly bill, you're going to have deep cuts to Medicaid, as well as the ACA, and an additional $500 billion to Medicare. We saw today that the Trump administration is trying to rebrand the big, ugly bill. Turns out you cannot rebrand crap, right? You can call it fecal matter, you can call it poo. End of the day, it's still crap. And that's because the big, ugly bill has massive cuts to health care, largest in U.S. history. And in exchange, they give really large tax breaks to billionaires and millionaires, including a new yacht tax. Try rebranding that. Local law enforcement deals with crime, and what House Republicans did is they cut millions of dollars from cops grants to local law enforcement. So you have to fund local law enforcement, and then you can reduce crime. If you want a police state with military folks running around all over the place, well, sure, that's going to reduce crime, but that's not the free and open society we in America want to live in. I'm sure there's really low crime in North Korea because they have military troops all over the place. That's not the society we want. The United States military is designed to fight foreign adversaries, not designed to be unleashed on the American people. I am not aware of many working families that buy yachts, and so this big, ugly bill has this new yacht tax break that is so good that Forbes magazine published an article where a consultant for billionaires said, quote, "too good to be true," referring to that yacht tax break. So what we're talking about really is not tax breaks mostly for ordinary Americans. It's really weighted towards the top 1%. And if you look at the CBO scoring, the lowest income bracket actually has a taxes increase over the life of this bill. So that's what this bill actually does.